Communication. Communication means sharing information, knowledge, and ideas by individuals or masses. When it is conveyed to a large number of people, it is known as mass communication. Postal services, telegraph, telephones, radio, television, films, computer networking, etc. are the modern communication methods. Post and telegraph. This is one of the oldest but most efficient methods of communication. Postal services are well organized all over Maharashtra, including rural areas. Post boxes are located even in remote areas, so the common man can send post anywhere he or she wants. Nowadays, postal service has improved by having new schemes like speed post, quick mail service, parcel service, etc. Telephones. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited or BSNL and Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited or MTNL are the two main telephone providers. Besides landline connections, mobile phones are becoming very popular because a person can talk directly to the person concerned without wasting time and money. Mobile services are widespread and as a result, it is getting cheaper day by day. Radio. It is a very popular mode to broadcast news, music, entertainment, and educational programs, etc. In Maharashtra, many districts have their own radio relay stations. Television. Television is the most popular mode of entertainment, news, education, agricultural programs, health, share market, sports, weather information, films, etc. With the introduction of television, people can get the information of almost everything in the world. Earlier, there was only one channel, but these days, people can see programs according to their requirements. All this is possible due to artificial satellites that collect information and relay it back to Earth. The world of Internet. Internet is a global system of interconnected computers network. It is used to share or exchange information among users. www or World Wide Web provides services like information, communication, and data transfer. It helps to broaden people's ideas, philosophies, approach, and attitude in life. Students can learn anywhere in the world through the Internet. Doctors can help each other through networking during operations. Business and trade develop with Internet. Television and Internet help in stock exchange and share market also. Advertising brings in a lot of revenue. The world is coming closer because of mass communication. Facebook, Twitter, MySpace are some of the social networking websites. Tourism. Traveling for leisure and entertainment is called tourism. It is considered as an invisible industry. Nowadays, the meaning of tourism is changing. People are traveling for business, but they combine it with leisure as well. Some people are traveling long distances these days to relax or to get some spa treatment, etc. In Maharashtra, the tourism industry is developing with new government plans. With the development of transportation, many backward areas are developing as tourist centers like hill stations and beaches. Many people get job opportunities with the development of tourism. Hotels, transportation, booking centers, advertisements, etc. provide a number of jobs for local people. Local craft also gets a boost. For example, Aurangabad stone carving and weaving has gained importance with tourism. Ropeways. An aerial ropeway is a system of overhead ropes on which carriers or suspended cabins are used for the purpose of transporting passengers. They are erected on towers, especially at difficult terrain. Ropeways are generally used for tourism. For example, you will find ropeways in Raigad. Tourist spots. There are different types of tourist spots in Maharashtra, such as beaches, forts, hill stations, religious places, historical places, wildlife sanctuaries, and national parks. Let us see a few examples. Maharashtra has beautiful beaches at Mumbai, Alibag, Harihareshwar, etc. Forts are found in places like Murud Janjira, Sinhagad, Raigad, etc. Hill stations like Mahabaleshwar, Matheran, and Lonavla are very popular. Religious places like Pandharpur, Shirdi, Nanded, etc. attract many devotees. There are many historical places in Maharashtra. Ajanta and Ellora are the major attractions for foreign tourists, especially after the opening of the international airport at Aurangabad. Maharashtra has many dense forests where beautiful birds and wild animals can be seen. To protect these birds and animals, some forested areas are declared as national parks and bird sanctuaries. For example, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Karnala bird sanctuaries are very popular. Health tourism and government support. Health tourism is picking up in Mumbai, where many people from all over India and abroad come for advanced health treatment. The government has a lot of plans to develop tourism. For example, special transportation facilities. Deccan Odyssey is an important addition to the railways in Maharashtra, a joint venture between Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation and the Indian Railways. It is a moving palace on wheels for the tourists with all 5-star hotel facilities. This train takes tourists to many places of Maharashtra. MTDC or Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation has tourist guest houses at all tourist places. Our government is trying to promote tourism on a very large scale by developing water sports at beach resorts and other facilities at places where people can just come and relax. Ecotourism. Ecotourism is a form of tourism that involves visiting natural areas in the remote wilderness, rural, or urban environment. Ecotourism involves traveling to natural destinations with minimum impact on nature. It builds environment awareness. Ecotourism teaches you to respect local culture. It helps us to conserve natural resources, biological diversity, and cultural diversity through ecosystem protection. Ecotourism typically involves travel to destinations where flora, fauna, and cultural heritage are the primary attractions. For example, Ajanta and Ellora. Natural trails are very useful for young students because they learn about life in wild areas and hence understand the need to protect nature.